Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we have some mini tins from Pokemon. We picked up the same twice because that's the only one they had for some reason. I don't know if that's so unpopular, but I don't care what's on the outside since, yeah, I don't really mind because after all, it's just mini tins. And let's just dive in there and open the boosters because I think we haven't opened that set at all. So that's why I picked them up. Okay, this is more complicated than it should be probably what is going on here. So, come on. Anyways, for what's in here, in case you don't know, sometimes there is a coin included. I don't think there's a coin this time. You probably get like a collection card, and a sticker from the Pokemon that's on the outside, and 2 boosters, and you pay like 10 bucks. So it's like the average price for a booster. And you also get this little tin, which is somewhat useful. So I would say I open up both really quick so we can dive right in there. I like to use them as storage, also not just for Pokemon cards in general. Like I can keep stuff with school in here for my students to organize stuff, or some hardware for like any products that you are doing, like screws and stuff, also nice to put in there. Anyways, so we rip them both open, put the knife aside, and then let's dive right in there. And as you can see, yep, a sticker and a collection card. There is like all the different artworks, and if you put them next to each other, you can have a little picture. Okay, we got 2 times the same. Also, the Pokemon that's on the outside, that's interesting. Let's see if that's also the case. No, it's not. I was gonna say if that's the case here. So, 1, yep. Okay, this is a little band. Oh wow, feels off. And 2. And yeah, let's see if we got any luck on the tins today. So I would say we start 1 tin, see what we can pull, and then the other one, and then we can compare. Sometimes they have completely different pulls, sometimes they're similar. So here's a code card for you. And let's hope for the best and a good start. So we start with a Psychic Energy, and then Meowth, Through, and also some trainers in here. As always, the same trainer in reverse again, and nice! We start with a alt art already. That's cool. That's like my favorite cards in every single booster. The alt arts, all the artworks that have like some more feeling to it. I know a lot of people are excited about full arts and stuff. I'm liking the alt arts. Yeah, so first booster started off good. Code card for you guys, and let's see what else we can pull. So we're gonna leave energy. Then another Meowth, see Horsey, the same trainer again. That's interesting. So Booster, and oh my god, okay, that was a good tin. So we got an alt art and a full art trainer. So yeah, that's exciting. Nice start. Let's see if the other tin can perform the same way. I doubt it, because chances are not really high that we actually get 2 freaking great tin boxes here, but who knows? So let's see. Okay, we got. Oh, okay, I did not know. We got a holographic energy here. It's kind of somewhat like a hit. We like the Houndoom artwork on that card. Wow. And I think this set also has a really cool art for Houndoom. Let's see if we can get that. Okay, I'm not a fan of these. I know they're somewhat like a hit, at least as I heard of. So, at least they are somewhat worth for some reason. I think they are good for playing or something. I don't care about them at all, since I only collect Pokemons. I don't try to get master sets or anything like that, so yeah, whatever. So another Houndoom. Let's get the alt art Houndoom. Holy. And let's see. Drowsy into Caputuro and Zorua. Okay. So first tin, 2 big hits. Second tin, nothing basically.